Advantages of installing Daikin Split Systems at home. Daikin is known to be an expert in manufacturing the best air conditioning machines, which can make homes comfortable even during the harshest weather. Daikin has 90 years of experience in manufacturing air conditioners, for which they make flawless electric appliances. Daikin's air conditioners more beneficial for their households in many aspects. Every part of its air conditioning machines includes the refrigerant. Hence, high longevity and the best performance are guaranteed for every Daikin air conditioner. All models of Daikin air conditioners are highly energy efficient, as these appliances consume the least amount of electrical energy when switched on. The split acts are available in various sizes, and a buyer needs to choose one according to the dimensions of the room where it is supposed to be installed. Reputed organizations have certified that Daikin split systems are effective in absorbing all dust particles and allergens from the air of a room. Contact for more details.